Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use slider in Webflow. So let's get started. First, go to the Webflow homepage. Over here, click on the sign up button and create an account using your email or Google account. After that, head to your Webflow dashboard and open your project. Then open the Add Elements panel and drag the slider component onto your canvas. By default, there will be two slides. To add more, click on Add Slide and insert your desired visuals or content into each slide. Next, click on the slider settings. Over here, you can choose transition animations like crossfade, fade out in, or slide over. Then set the duration for each slide under the duration option. If you want the slides to transition automatically, enable autoplay slides. After that, adjust the spacing and styling of the slider to match your page. You can also go to the navigation settings and click on Style to change typography and colors. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your slider live. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next